Now, just before I start this video, I'd just like to say that this video and its tutorials won't work for Godot 4 because Crazy Games doesn't work with Godot 4, but until then, yeah, get your latest copy of Godot 3.5 and you're all good. On with the video. You've read the title and see the thumbnail, this and that, blah blah blah. You want to get straight to the action, and I do too. So let's get straight to the action now. And in my last video, we didn't have any of this. I did some coding off camera. I'm just gonna delete everything that has to do with ads real quick on this one, but I'll just call it back. I'll just add it back later. So this is what you had last video. This is probably what you got, and yeah. Oh, that's not good. Anyway, you want to have more than just this. You know, it just is window size. You want to make some cash. You want to make the dough. And I do too. So, and the main form of making the dough, getting money from this gig is ads. So, this is just going to be how to set up the ad system. Now, first thing you want to do is write a couple signals. We're gonna write the signals of signal ad started, signal ad ended, and then signal ad error. So basically, whenever the ad starts, this signal will go out saying, yep, the ad has started. And then when the ad ends, it's going to say, yep, the ad is ended. And when there's an error, it says ad error. So basically, when the ad starts, it's going to pause the game if you want. When the ad ends, it's going to unpause the game. And if there's an error, then it's going to show up a screen. That's a basic idea on how you can do this. But my game that I'm planning on making won't include that. I'm just going to include that there. And then we're going to write... this is for the ad block. We're going to have an ad block section right after. Also, lots of this, I'm just going to assume that you've seen the last video, which you can see by clicking the thing in the top right hand corner. Var add callbacks equals to JavaScript dot create object and then you're gonna write var. This is one of the most annoying parts. Add started callback equals to JavaScript dot create callback self, and then add started. Yes, is that good? Alright, that's good. And then we're gonna actually just copy paste this a couple times. So yeah, we're gonna that, and then that. So add blocked error finished. Actually, we're not gonna do the ad blocked bit just yet. There's gonna be a section for that, and then yep, add. Oh no, we keep that as is. Add error callback, and then add. No, it's finished, and then error finished error. Alright, so yeah, we've just got those callbacks. And then if you want to get into the good stuff, you want to actually use this, you're going to go to the function ready, and then we're going to say add, and then we're going to say what do we say? We say add callbacks, add started equals to add, oh no, add started callback, add, and then you're gonna do that for all of them. Add callbacks, add ended equals to add, no, I wrote finished, add add finished callback, right? Yep, and then add callbacks error equals to add error callback. Okay, so that just says these are all the same thing. So that if you want to use these callbacks, you just gotta write the callback itself, and you don't have to write that, to keep it simple. Alright. Okay, so next we're gonna write two functions. We're gonna write the mid-game add function. Yep. Game add function and a rewarded add. We're gonna run two functions. These two. Alright. Okay. So you've got these done, and then you're gonna write SDK or whatever your auto load is. It's got to be a global auto load. So if it's not global like mine is, then it won't work. Dot add dot request add, and then mid game, I'm pretty sure, mid game, and then add callbacks. Yep. And then yeah, pretty sure that's it. Yep. Mid game, and then for rewarded you're gonna write sdk.add.request add rewarded, and then add callback. So the difference between these two things is that one of the request add call is that a mid game add is an add that happens in the middle of a game, and a rewarded add is an ad that the player knows is gonna happen if you just press yes, I want to watch an ad. And rewarded ads are usually longer than mid game ads, so it's better to just have this. It's a part of the requirements to have that, to make it specific. If an ad is mid game, it can't be overusing this and that, blah blah blah. So a way to just test this out is I've got a little test thing. I've got two buttons, one for mid-game ad, one for rewarded ad, and then a script. So whenever this button is pressed, then a mid-game ad is gonna happen, and then when that button is pressed, a rewarded ad is gonna happen. Oh, let's make it fake. Let's make it connected. Sure. Alright. Okay, so you've got that all done, and then that's good. So that's just how to make the basic ads work. But what if someone has an ad block? Well, there's a function for that. Add block. Add blocked callback? Yeah, that's what I wrote. Oh no. Yeah, add block callback equals to JavaScript. No, not Java class. Dot create callback self, and then add blocked. Nope. There we go. Okay. Next, you're gonna want to go to the, where is it? You can make another function that detects if there's ad block. Detect ad block, and then that, and then yeah, SDK dot has add dot has add block, add block callback. Yep. And then what else am I missing? Wait, I'm missing something. I can tell. Oh yeah. Add block callback. And then we're gonna actually do another thing. So yeah. Add blocked, and if so, how are we gonna do this? Add blocked. Yeah, there's another function. We're gonna write. When we're gonna make another signal, two more signals. Add blocker, and then add blocked. Now, whenever there's to make the code way easier and so then it doesn't lag, you're gonna wanna make it null, and then detect add block, and then has add block callback. That's how it knows. And then emit signal. Oh, actually no, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna just stick to what the docs have. So we're gonna write function add blocked, that args, and then we're gonna write var error equals to args 0, and then var results equals to args 1, and then we're gonna say omit signal add blocked, and then error, and then results. That should be good. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've made this video 3 times already. You've got to respect the commitment. So please, if you watched until now and you've learned something, subscribe. And if you haven't learned something, still subscribe, because the next few tutorials might teach you something that you might not know. So yeah, and also subscribe to my second channel where stuff like this is gonna be. It's only on my main channel. My main channel is gonna be about animation and stuff, but like it's gonna be here. So yeah, I hope you learned something from this, and enjoy your day.